So I'm going to replace the light bulb that burned out in the dash here on a C220 1996. So the way you pull the instrument cluster out is use a tool like this. This happens to be an original Mercedes tool. I'm not sure if it's intended exactly for this job, but it will do for this job. So, and you go in, kind of see sideways here, and then I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees, and then let me try it again. I pulled it out a little partially already, so this should go fairly quickly. But then there you go. You pull it out, and you see it actually hooks kind of here as you're pulling out. So that pulled one side out. So I go in again. See, I'm going in sideways. There you go. Okay. So as I said, I already pulled it out partially, and this is the area where I hooked the tool with. So when I came in, I rotated and hooked it like this. So there you go. So the other part that I also did is I pulled the steering wheel out as much as possible. Now basically all we got to just do is pull the dash out and disconnect the cables in the back. What I'm going to do is, so I don't damage the screen here, I'm going to put some cloth here so I don't scratch anything. So I've wiggled the instrument cluster kind of sideways here, and you can see here in the back are all of the light bulbs that are lighting up the cluster. So the one that I need to get access to is the one in the center, so I can reach it from here by just having, so it's the one right in the center here right now. So I will basically just pull that one out and replace it with a new one, and that's it, rather than bothering you know, taking out the entire instrument cluster out. So this is what the light bulb looks like once you take it out. It's basically just goes in by simply just twisting it. This is what the back looks like. So it's a 12 volt 1.2 watt light bulb. It's let's see if we can zoom in on this. There you go. It's manufactured by Osram. So here it is. So the replacement light bulb is here. Here we go. And we're going to just simply, you know, twist it in, and that's our new light bulb. Just to kind of give you an idea about you know, how the socket goes in, I'm using here a 11/32 socket to kind of help me so I don't have to so I have a little bit extra strength with the tips of my fingers. But basically this is how it goes in. It just goes in like this. You rotate it, and then you pull the socket off, right? Now if you rotate it too much, let's say 180 degrees, then essentially you'll rotate around, right? You'll do a full circle on it. So just kind of have a 90-degree turn, right? And leave it in. So there you go. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now is push in the instrument cluster. That's, you know, fairly straightforward. It's just so you line it up on both sides, kind of push it in on each side. There you go, and that completes the job. Now if I open the door, all of the lights illuminate here. Now of course, if you'd want to replace it, I've seen some people replace it with the LEDs. You could do that as well, and but I'm just replacing it with the standard light bulb here. So thanks for watching.